Welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Please, I'm simply doing this tutorial to help teachers and students as well. Alright, so what I mean is that I'm going to introduce each and every one to these educational websites. For example, you can come to any of the browsers. Open the browser, come to the search button and type wolframalpha or wolframalpha.com. Then you search. So it's gonna take you to this interface. Don't bother yourself to scroll down, just come to the first one and open. Alright, so I've opened and I've noticed that we have a lot of subjects or courses here. Alright, so we have physics, I can see chemistry, engineering, computational sciences, a lot and a lot. So you can come here, click more topics to get a lot of topics under mathematics. So assuming you are a math teacher and you need to revise to teach your students, you can come here for that. Then assuming you are a physics student or a physics teacher, you can come here and get some of the topics. Probably even if you have some questions that you can find answers, you can come to wolframalpha, come to the search button, then you type any question you have, the answer will just appear step by step formats. For example, you can see work F, that is force, is equals to 30 Newton. Then D is equals to 100 centimeters. So if I click here, the answer would just come. Alright, so you can see the workout here. You can actually see the workout here, step by step solution. So maybe, probably you come to this, maybe just like the way they have put work is equals to this, then D is equals to D. You can, let me quickly change these figures that you see. So maybe let me say F is equals to 300. Then instead of 100, I can quickly change it to 10. Okay. Alright, so you hit the search button. So you can see that the step-by-step workings have appeared. Alright, so they are telling me to use force instead. Okay, so assuming you have been given an assignment to find answers to a particular question and you don't know, you can simply come to wolframalpha.com or just